To my YouTube channel Living Room Decor. Today's first spaced world where personal style and interior design converge. The living room has become the epicenter of self-expression. It's not just a space for lounging anymore. It's a canvas where one's personality, taste, and lifestyle are artistically depicted. As such, the living into living room decor fashion is keen to embarking on a journey. Uh, Decor fashion to again to embark on journey of self-discovery where we furnishing choice color scheme and decorative adds speaks volume about who you are and what love you. When it comes to living room decor fashion, in the possibilities are as vast as one's imagination, from silk to minimalist designs that exude modern spice skin to cozy and rustic uh, living room array. Uh, uh, Minimum design that include modern to cozy and electric arrangements that invite relaxation and conversation. They are a style to suit every taste and ethics preference. Uh, Whether you are drawn to the clean lines and muted tones of sanguine design for the blood patterns and vibrant house of Beaumont, the key lies in courting a space that reflected your unique sensibility and inspire your embrace your individually. One of the most exciting aspects of living room decor fashion is the endless array of design elements and accessories that allow you to infuse your space with personality and flair. From statement making furniture piece, making furniture piece that serving as focal points to decorative accents that add texture and dimension. Every detail plays a circle role in shaping the evidence and charter of your living room. Whether you are in portraying a gallery wall of framed artwork, layering rugs to create visual interest of styling shelves with curating collection of books and objects. The art decay is this trick balance between form and function while staying true to your personal style. Of course, no discussion of living room decor fashion would be complete without addressing in the role of color in setting with mood and tone of space. Whether you are opting for a mint plate of soothing natural of embracing the drama of bold jewel toned as the colors you choose can have a profound impact of the look and feel of your living room. By with uh, experiment with different design. uh, Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much watching my video.